Hello guys, welcome to mambafixcars. Today we're gonna be taking an engine out of a 2008 Nissan Versa. Stay tuned. I'm gonna give you all the necessary steps you need to do, and we're gonna get this bad baby out. All right, guys, welcome back. So basically, what I'm gonna do is take the battery off, take the manifold off, take the alternator compressor. Once I access my convertibles from that starter right there, I'm gonna take that starter off. Access your convertibles out over there. Um, Gonna go ahead and take the pulley out. Once you get the start converter bolts out, um, so we have space on the side. We're taking this bad baby from the top, and we're gonna disconnect all our connectors, drain all your fluids. We're gonna take the AC compressor out. You don't necessarily have to drain the freon, because like we could just take the bolts holding the compressor and just let it hang over there. Yeah, so I'm gonna start doing this step by step and let you know the stuff you gotta do. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start taking my battery out. I'm gonna take off the terminals. It has this 13 in there, 13 locker in there. You're gonna take it and take the battery out. Guys, once the battery's out, you're gonna go ahead and take the manifold out. Mine has it's taken off already because someone was working on it. It has 510 bolts on the bottom right here. It has another 10 bolts here. We're gonna go ahead and take the throttle off. You could take the bolts off or just take the connectors off. So it comes with a manifold. It has a connector, a line right here, and this one that goes to the valve cover right here. Then it has another line right here that goes here. So you take that off and this baby should be coming out. Okay guys, with your manifold out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking all my connectors off. Put it on the transmission side. Alright guys, so I got my injector wires out. There's this wire that goes down there. It goes down there, let me show you guys. It goes down there, like just follow this wire. It goes just right here, you take that off. Alright guys, so once you got that connector, it's just a push tab. Push it down, pull it back. You're gonna take this one off, you just pull up. Just pull up, it comes off, and you're gonna need one of these special tools to check it out. You want these special tools to get sure if you line out. Find one, the one that fits on there good, you use it, take it out, let you know what's next. Guys, when you have your special tool, I got an 80-26. All you gotta do is put it in here like that, push down, push in, and pull out. It should be able to come out. Make sure, like, sometimes it sprays when there's pressure in there, but make sure your eyes, your face is clear of that so you don't get hurt. So we're gonna go get that. We're gonna get that out sensor right here. We're gonna get that out sensor right here, and the sensor that goes to the thermostat housing. Then I think we should be able to pull this one. Then we're gonna go ahead and take the one on the starter, one on the alternator, and the one on the starter, and this one right here, the oil pressure sensor switch. Got all there. Guys, when you look down here, you can see the ground wire with an 8 bolt. It has two of them. I hope you notice it when you're taking off the connectors. Alright. Guys, once you have all your connectors off from the side, I'm gonna go ahead and take this hose right here. And it has the tab, the connector has a tab. You pull off and you should be able to flip your connectors to the side. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take off the starter and get my compatible out. Alright guys, with the wires out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and take the starter. It has two 18 bolts, one here and the other one down there. We're gonna take it off. I'm gonna raise the car to get my converter bolts out, then we deal with the side on the stuff later. Alright guys, I just took my starter off and I saw that. So I thought to share with you guys. Make sure to change your oil and make sure to check your oil before you start your car. Cause if there's no oil in the car, this can happen to you. It's gonna cost you a whole lot of money. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and check this hose right here. Then I'm gonna go to the bottom so I can take my converter bolts. Alright guys, here's our convertible. It has 414 converter bolts. It had a 19 on the pulley. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, bring the car down, and we're gonna get the exhaust off. Guys, so we're about to take our exhaust off. We're gonna take the head shield first. It has one bolt there, the other one there. It has one over here. It has one over here, and the other one over here. It has 4 bolts actually. So 4 10 bolts. You take it off and we take the head shield out so we can get to the main bolts. Guys, I had a problem taking off one of my 10 bolts from the head shield, so I'm gonna be taking it off from the cap. I'm taking off right here. But you go ahead and take the head shield off if you're able to get to your bolts and get the main bolts, because that's more helpful than taking it from this side. Guys, when you're done taking off the exhaust bolts, you're gonna come right here to take this bracket off. It has 4 15 bolts holding it. We're gonna take that off from the engine. Then I'm gonna come here to take my compressor out. I'll take the belt using the adjuster. Just right here. I'm gonna take that out. Take the belt out. I'm gonna go ahead and take my compressor out. And I'm gonna go on the top and take the alternator out. And I think we should be getting ready to take the engine out. Guys, I got the belt out. So on that pulley, the adjuster, it's just a 14. You're gonna push clockwise, and it should come loose for you to get the belt out. And your compressor has 3. It has 13 bolts you gotta take off. And once you take them off, as I said, I don't think it's necessary taking off the freon. We're just gonna make the compressor hang. We're just gonna make it hang on the ground. So just like this, it could hang like this, and the engine should come out without it being in the way. Okay guys, so once your compressor is hanging, we're gonna take the pulley. I'll take this big pulley right here. It's a 19. You should use a big gun. We're gonna take this one right here. It has 4 10 bolts holding it. It has one there, and another one on the top, which you can throw with your hands. And it has 2 right in there. Yeah, there it is. So when you take that out, the whole piece should come off. And when we go to the top, we'll take the alternator, and we should be getting ready to take the engine out. Guys, I realized that for the top bolt for the water pump, when we get our alternator out, it will be easy to get it out. The alternator has two 14 bolts, one here and the other one underneath this side right here. So we take that out, and we should be able to get that 10 bolt for the water pump. Guys, once you have your alternator out, here's the top 10 bolt I was talking about right there. You take that out, so the water pump should come out, and let's do that. I'll tell you what's next. Alright guys, we got our AC compressor, we got our alternator, we got our water pump out of the way, we got our pulley also out of the way. We're gonna be taking that adjuster out too, but I'm gonna show you how. Because of this stuff right here, there's no space to take it out, but I'll let you know. I forgot to talk about the heater hose system. 1, 2, you gotta take that out. Okay, so right now guys, I'm gonna go on the bottom, take all the lower housing bolts. Then I'll bring my crane in, set the transmission up, and I'll do that and let you know what to do next. Guys, I got all my bottom housing bolts. I went ahead to get all the ones on that side all the way to the top because of my exhaust. I wouldn't be able to get it from the top. Alright, I'm gonna set everything up and take this engine out. Guys, I found out that there's this line that goes right here. We gotta take off because it's connected to the big one. It has that A bolt right there. I'll take it off and I'll let you know what's under this. So take it out. Guys, that shield had 2 bolts right here. This is the one I showed you. And this is the other one. It's right on top of it, so you gotta take that one out too. Now let's see what's in there. Looks like a connector. Yeah, it's a connector. Gotta do my crane set and my brake under the front system. I'm gonna go ahead and take this bracket right here. This is ground right here. You gotta take off. This is 13 bolt. You gotta. So this bracket has it has 4 16 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna go ahead and take this 18 and this one too. We got 2 16 bolts right there. And another one there. You could take that off instead of taking this one off, so you can have the whole thing out. To get that pulley, guys, I'm gonna show you now. Once you have all this out of the way, you're gonna jack the engine up. When you jack it up, you should have some space to get the your torque in there to get the pulley out. Once you do that, come take your remaining housing bolts over here. Then you push the engine like that, separate it from the transmission. Once you do that, you just raise it up. So I'll do that and let you know if I left something. Here's our engine. It's taken out. So this is the end of my video. If it helps you, I appreciate if you like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Peace out.